If you want to see how I got my wig from looking like this to looking like this, stay tuned to this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Asteria Hair. Today I showed you how I installed the wig, how I got this hairstyle, and also how I moisturized the hair. Keep in mind the hair was a little wet and I had it like rubbing against me, so obviously it's gonna look a little bit frizzy. I'm gonna show you how I did all those things today, and also if you're interested in my makeup look, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you guys will see when I post the makeup video. I post the makeup videos after the hair videos. If you're interested in any of my makeup videos, just go on my channel and you will literally see it above the hair video. This wig did not come with like any gifts or anything. It just came with a bag to store your wig, and that's perfectly fine. I will link Asteria Hair down below, and let's get right into this video. Okay, so I'm gonna just brush my hair back with some edge control. I'm putting on stockings today because I wanted to see the difference from just like a stocking and a wig cap. So I'm just cutting off the air tabs just like I normally do, and I'm going to spray it down with my black ebon lace spray. You can get this from your beauty store. I'm gonna spray this and then I'm gonna blow it on cool air. I decided to tie it down because I feel like giving it more tension would help it to stick better. And then I just removed that and I'm going to cut the lace off. But before I do that, I'm going to put on my Ruby Kisses two-sided foundation in the color 14. I always do this. I feel like this is a nice method for me. I am using glue today, actually. I'm just cutting off the cap. Just take your time with this. Don't cut your skin, child. But I won't judge, girl. You can say what you want. I know you want it as bad as I do, so don't. And then this is the wig. I'm just going to put it on my head. I did not put any foundation in it because I decided to do that after. I'm cutting down the lace so I'll be able to see what I'm doing, and the lace is not going to be in my face. Cutting off the ear tabs, and as you can see, there's a lot of hair in the front, so I end up having to customize that hairline to match mine. I'm using the Hold Me Down skin protectant. And just dry that with your blow dryer. I'm going ahead and using the glue, and I'm going to apply 4 layers of this. Got your ex nigga acting all shady. Must have found out who you fucking with lately. Shit, I be mad too, but that ain't me. She don't trust y'all niggas cause y'all be shaky. We be back to back dipping in the Mercedes. Hold my baby down like I'm the Navy. Other women gon' try but can't persuade me. Go ahead, girl, say what you want. Once it's nice and clear, you want to push that down using your comb for some tension. So just push that into the lace. And then you're going to use your headband and tie this for 10 minutes so it could get a little bit of tension. Oh, I left it for 5 minutes actually. After 5 minutes, you want to take it off, and this is what you're going to be working with. I'm going to go ahead and show you me carving out my hairline to make sure that this is laying as natural as possible. You can use a comb for this. I'm using the damn scissors, but this is how much hair I'm going to be cutting off. So I just clip the hair back, and I'm going to use a razor to cut this off because you want it to have a jagged edge so it gives it more of a natural, seamless look.
You love me in my words, you hate me in my best. What the fuck, man? I don't get it.
Alright, once it's off, I'm going to use my foundation in the color 14 and 15. I'm going to put that around the hairline just to get rid of this white cast. And guys, my room was so freaking hot, and having on the lights did not help. So I'm spraying down the front of the lace with the lace spray again because my wig did start to lift up. Just dry that on cool and tie it down once more.
Can we move on? Can we move on?
Alright, so once that's done, I just go ahead and use a little bit more foundation because I did not put any foundation. This is going to melt your lace. I did not even show you me cutting off the edges, but if you want a dedicated updated edges tutorial, let me know. I am plucking it to make it more natural.
It's not what I expected. You said you were committed, and now you're acting different.
And then I'm using my hot comb to press it down into the area that I want it to go. And trim it just a little bit more because it's too long. I'm spraying in between the edges and the rest of the hair. Then I'm going to tie it down again. But make sure this is dry before you tie it down.
Can we move on? Can we move on? You know how feelings can be complicated. I get frustrated and get medicated.
And I decided I wasn't going to finish this today, so I end up doing it the next day. So I just want to say I'm a little bit frustrated because I realize every time I use glue, my freaking head has like a migraine, and I don't know what's the issue, but I feel like from now on I'm just gonna stick to using spray because it's just something wrong. So the clips that you've seen previously was from yesterday, from me putting this wig on initially, and today is the next day, and I end up sleeping without a scarf, and my wig basically slid back. So as you can see, the cap is all the way here and it slid back a little bit in the front and over here, but I don't feel like taking the wig off and redoing it, so I'm just going to do the edges, and then I want to do a makeup look, so I'm going to have a separate video with the makeup look because I'm not sure what I'm doing yet. And you can see the curls are like a tighter curl pattern than what it normally is. I did go ahead and put some leave-in conditioner, curling cream, and light gel. I like using my Gorilla Snot because it just holds the edges down. Y'all, my table is so old. It holds the edges down so good. So I just use a little bit, and I like to blow it. So I just like do a little swoop, and then I blow it with the blow dryer so it can stay.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Ooh, no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. You, no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you? Or do you not think so far ahead? About forever. When I'm like you, I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Got a beach house I could sell thinking about you. Ooh, no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. You, no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about it still? Do you, do you? Or do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Of course, I remember, how could I forget how you feel? You know you were my first time, a new feel. It will never get old, not in my soul, not in my spirit, keep it alive. We'll go down this road till it turns from color to black and white. Or do you not think so far?
Okay guys, so I just did my makeup. I'm not sure if I posted the makeup video before the hair video. I'm gonna just put the hair back down. I really like how it was looking up in that bun, I'm not gonna lie. I just put my claw clip in and then it gave it like a bun look, but I think I'm gonna keep it down because it's like 26 inch, no, it's 30 inches. One thing I could say about this hair, it's a bit dry, and I'm gonna insert a clip of me detangling the hair and showing you exactly what I used. Also, I seen a girl on TikTok with this hairstyle, so I did not come up with this. I'm thinking if I should put some of the I have some clips I want to put in my hair, not clips but like little things. Hold on. So I have these hairpins that I got from Amazon 2 years ago. They're like little flowers and they're iridescent, so I feel like they're going with my makeup. So I'm gonna just clip them into my hair to give me some pizzazz. Okay, this is good enough for me. I think this is really super cute. I'm gonna show you how long it is actually. So I am, oh, don't look at my burn on my chest. I am 5'3", 5'2.5". This is where the hair stops on me. It's giving about 32, 34 inches, but it's 30 inches. And this is how the hair turned out with me moisturizing it and everything. So I am gonna link the products that I use to moisturize my hair too down below. And keep in mind, I moisturized my hair about like 5 hours ago, something like that. I moisturized it a while ago and this is how it's looking right now. Keep in mind, I did kind of detangle it to do these braids on top of my head. I just put a little bit of water where it was frizzy because obviously I was braiding, so I was messing it up. Make sure you guys visit Asteria Hair. I will have the links down below and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.